I don't know what came over me today, but I decided to make an unboxing video. It's literally 8 p.m. right now. I don't know why. Please help. But anyways, I've been having trouble with my recent microcontroller, my very first microcontroller, the PIC 10F200. I've been having troubles with that, and a lot of people have been saying that Arduinos are much better than PICs in every way possible. So I just decided to buy one myself. Here it is. This is an Arduino I just picked up from online. I guess I should be unboxing it from a different camera angle. Yep, this should be good. Okay then. As per usual, I bought a couple of things besides the Arduino, just so I can minimize the shipping price. I bought some. Oh yeah, I bought the Bluetooth module. I bought a Bluetooth module so I can. Right. Okay. Sorry about that. My camera cut out because I ran out of memory, and I now don't have any footage of me unboxing any of these things. So I'm just gonna review what I bought. This is the main thing. Look at it. It's beautiful. Arduino Uno. I believe this is better than PIC in every way possible because people have been saying so. And this is the Bluetooth module I was talking about. As I was saying, this is really exciting because now I can get to play with Bluetooth thingies. That's really cool. Oh yeah, the Arduino also comes with this USB cable to connect it to the laptop or anything. Also bought these little LEDs because I ran out. Yep, that's about it. I don't know what to say anymore.